Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require you to be on the phone doing some customer service. You're also going to be doing a lot of data entry into patients' electronic medical records. Of course, we're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead comes from the company McKesson. Now, McKesson is a very legit company. The company that I actually work for, the healthcare company that I work for, we outsource some of our work to McKesson because we just have more work than we can do. McKesson does have 6,000 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees. They have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a clinical support associate. Now, they are based out of Texas, but it does say work from home, USA, any state. So they have absolutely no state restrictions. They're looking for somebody to work daytime hours, Monday through Friday, so no weekends are required. Of course, your start and end times of your day will depend on the state you're hired within because they work within all of the different time zones in the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to provide support services to the onboarding manager and clinical operations team. This means you're going to perform data entry. You're going to pull patient records from the practice's electronic health record system and input that into the internal electronic health record system. You're going to communicate with medical practice staff, nursing staff, and patients, answering or returning patient phone calls, scheduling patient appointments, and just scheduling any handyman or IT services. You may also have to order office supplies or set up different office accounts. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has 3 years of some kind of related experience. In a similar role, they would like it to be administrative or medical type environment. High rate of data entry accuracy. There's a lot of data entry in this job. Of course, they need somebody who can work those Microsoft Office systems, Outlook, Word, Excel, that sort of thing. Somebody who has great communication skills, someone who's trustworthy and has the ability to multitask. So this means that you're going to need to be well organized. Now, if you go all the way down almost to the bottom, they do list their pay range for this position. It is anywhere from $20.09 an hour all the way up to $33.48 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep a running list and keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.